Hi, I'm Ken Schmidt. I'm 23 years old and an agriculture business major at Southern Utah University. My American dream is to one day own a large cattle ranch. When I was a young boy, my grandfather Webb and I used to go up Payson Canyon. And as we'd go on hikes looking for different wildlife such as deer and elk, one of my favorites was to see the range cattle up there. Right now is the perfect time to invest in agriculture. With the average rancher and farmer being about 57 years old, they're going to have to retire in the next few years. And with that being, we need new, young, excited enthusiasm in the ranching and farming world. About 90% of all agriculture is run by small farmers and ranchers, which is usually a sole proprietorship, which means run by one person, or an LLC, which is a small partnership. My goal is to help these small-time farmers and ranchers to sell to the big markets, like Walmart, McDonald's, Costco, and other leading franchises. I'd like to finish by thanking you for allowing me to share my American dream of one day owning a large cattle ranch. Vote for me.